Alright, so just got some car parts in. A little shout out to Modern Performance here. We got some blue hoses, oil cap, and a cowl cover. Well, I guess I'll give you a little bit of instructions here with the hoses, but really what the unboxing is right here. This is another fuel pump here that I'm going to be installing into another car from Modern Performance. Brandon is really good with what he does, so I'm kind of just doing this because I haven't really got a chance to do one. The packing is phenomenal. He packs stuff, how can I say it, he packs some stuff like I pack stuff, so you know that it's definitely getting to you and it's not getting damaged. But what this is a small canister. It's set up to be used with the AGP return system that you can purchase with the regulator. So let's see what we got here. Like I said, packed and packed and packed. So here is here's the fuel pump rewire. Set that off to the side. All right. Here is the little fuel pump that goes in line. Really nice little pump. Fuel float. We got some stickers. This is an adapter that I needed for the coolant line, so we're hoping that that's going to work out. Here is the little line that comes off of the pump. Install on canister feed, and then install on fuel filter inlet, which is here. And then this right here, I believe this runs to the factory line. I got to check it out. First time installing one like this. So this one does have the 450 installed into it. Lots and lots of bubble wrap, man. I'm telling you. So we have a 450 can here. It has the 450 pump in it. Feed right there. Really nice setup. So it doesn't run through your factory regulator because you're running an external. That's the first one I've seen with a little cute sticker on, man. That actually is pretty cool. So I believe that's pretty much it. Let's double check. Yep. Okay. Just gonna grab that piece out because I don't need it. Socks in there. It looks like it's gonna, work out really well for this install. Sending unit, like I said, is already on there. This is the line that's gonna come from here. It'll come off the tank, yeah. See, canister. Everything is labeled. Everything just so simply goes together. And then it's going to go to this filter, and then this is going to attach onto the factory line. We'll just snap right up over top of this, which is what we were going for. Like I said, that's the fitting I needed. Here's our stickers. Here's our rewire to help fuel the pump. Man, like I said, just real nice stuff from him. This will be some video, this stuff getting installed, including the other stuff that I got from Modern today. But I just wanted to show you guys how I don't even know how all that was fitting in this box. See? So, killer pack job every time I get something. You always know you're going to get it. Nothing's ever going to be damaged. So, with that being said, shout out to Modern Performance. If you guys need anything for fuel system stuff, really good for the srt4. I've ordered a couple of these different style canisters, anything from a 525 with a 255 feeding the 525 on the return. I had a 525 that I put in on that last car, the red one. It had a full system with all hoses and lines. And this one here is actually a smaller system, but it's still going to work out just fine for what we have set up. And this is definitely going to feed, we're talking, this is going to feed 500 some horsepower with what we have going on already. It kind of all depends on what you want. He does all kinds of stuff, custom fuel stuff. So if you need to get a hold of him, do it. Okay? And I'm just going to end it there. You'll see this getting installed. Yeah. A couple more yeahs and a couple more ums, and we're going to be making some power here really soon. He can hook you up with injectors. So I got some FI Fuel Injector Clinic injectors. They are brand new. We got those shipped to us already. So hopefully everything's here. I should be able to get this blue car together that I'm working on. And we can get these nice blue hoses on, cow cover. Just a couple little, you know, make stuff look pretty stuff. But thanks to Modern for that too. And see yous.